Hopefully you guys can see this, at least this part. This is the original, I forget the exact name. This is the sleeve that connects the outer and inner tie rod. At least the outer connects to the spindle, and the inner connects to I believe this is called the center drag link. And these are pretty old. Like, obviously they're the original ones that came on this truck, so they're just as old as everything else that's been on this truck. Anyhow, I'm replacing these. I'm fairly certain everything is responsible for this, but the main culprit, I believe, is the center drag link. Anyhow, the alignment has been steadily getting worse and worse, and so I'm going to replace all these parts, as well as the spindle. I got a 2-inch drop spindle, as well as the upper and lower ball joints as well. I would have done this months ago, but it's been continuously raining on weekends. Then we had to deal with the hurricane, so I had to keep putting it off. I mean, I've had all these parts, but in the meantime, I had, obviously, this truck is a daily driver, so I had to keep driving it. Luckily, I don't drive far, but anyhow, because of all the parts are worn and old, the alignment went off, and even though I don't drive far, it's taking a toll on the tires. They are warped, so I got new tires as well. I've just gotta wait to install these parts before I have the new tires mounted. But here are the 2-inch drop spindles, and these I've probably had the longest. I even increased or re-drilled the holes to accommodate the larger bolts that I have on for the dual piston calipers that we got from that Pathfinder. So that part's already done. There's the new center drag. I already forgot the name. You guys know what it's called. The sleeves that connect the inner and outer tie rods, the upper and lower ball joints. I'm hoping to have all this installed, or get it installed this weekend, and take the truck to a shop that's nearby and get the alignment redone. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this little preview on all these parts. Again, I'd been planning to do this months ago, but because of the weather, I haven't been able to. But yeah, it's not. It'll be nice to have newer parts and probably improve the handling and drivability of the truck even further. But anyway, it'll be interesting. I don't know. I'm not expecting the front end of the truck to drop all that much from installing these, because I still have the Bilstein shocks on there, unless I were to probably get shorter shocks. I'm not expecting it to drop all that much, but regardless, I wanted to get replace the spindles anyway. I figured I might as well get the 2-inch drop spindles all in one shot. And anyway, I want to make this video longer than it already has gone, and hopefully I'll get this done this weekend, and I'll see you.